Deleting a paid bill in Xero is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Deleting a paid bill directly in Xero isn't recommended, as it can compromise the integrity of your financial records. Here's why. Deleting the record would cause a mismatch between your financial statements and the actual transactions. In the case of audits, missing bill records can raise red flags and cause complications. However, there are alternative approaches to address a paid bill situation in Xero. If you received a refund for the paid bill, you can record it in Xero. This creates an accurate reflection of the situation while maintaining the original bill record. Here's how. Navigate to the Purchases menu. Select Spend Money. Choose the same supplier as the original bill. Fill in the date and amount of the refund. In the account field, select a relevant account, for example, Accounts Payable Refund. Add a description mentioning refund for bill for clarity. If the bill was already marked as paid, you need to acknowledge it further. You can leave it as it is. Xero categorizes it as a paid expense, reflecting the accurate financial position.